A significant policy change from the center that brings major relief to individuals holding Portuguese passports, particularly in Goa. In a key move, the government has relaxed documentation requirements for Portuguese passport holders applying for visa, exit permit, and overseas citizen of India registration. Under the revised guidelines, authorities will now accept a revocation order as valid proof. This replaced the earlier mandatory requirement of submitting a passport surrender certificate. This change is especially important for many Goans who hold Portuguese passport and have faced persistent challenges in completing documentation. Applicants, particularly those living abroad, often struggle to obtain surrender certificates. In several cases, even revocation orders issued by Indian missions were not being accepted, leading to delays and complications. With the new policy in place, the process is expected to become simpler and faster, reducing long-standing hurdles for thousands of applicants. The decision comes after concerns were raised over practical difficulties faced by people from Goa and other former Portuguese territories. This move is being seen as a long-awaited relief and a step towards streamlining procedures.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.